Hello everyone, welcome to Teachopedia. Today's video is about a natural language processing library called Textblob. Textblob is an Python library which is used for processing textual data. Remember, when we are dealing with text data, Textblob is a good option. It provides APIs for solving tasks like part of speech tagging, in which we can tag each word with its part of speech. We can extract noun phrases from a sentence. We can also apply sentiment analysis and classify whether a sentence is a positive, negative, or a neutral sentence. We can also translate into another languages. In Python, we use the mention command for its installation. Pip install textblob. Now we will switch to coding and try to implement these library and its APIs. So create a new notebook, a Jupyter notebook, and import textblob library. After importing textblob, run it by Shift plus Enter. When we are good to go, after installing and importing textblob library, we can create an object of textblob and give our test sentence. So this is a test sentence which I have provided, and I will print all the sentences which are in this text. Using the provided object of textblob dot sentences, we can get all the sentences are present in this text. We can also check its type, so it's a textblob object. After breaking a text into sentences, we will try to break it into its words by using dot word function. So here is a simple code in which we first create a list of all the sentences, and then for each sentence we create another loop for loop and parse it into its words. So as you can see, this is our first sentence and these are its words, and same goes for other sentences. Moving on, we can also print word with its tag by using dot text. So here's it. We can get and we can see that all the words are tagged with its respective part of speech. Data is denoted by NNP, science is noun. These are categorized into its subsequent pause tags. After that, we can also find all the nouns which are this text and only create a list of nouns which are present in this text. So these are the list of all the nouns which are used in this text, and after that we can also check what is this about, what is this text about, by just printing the top two nouns by using random.sample function. We can also correct our sentences using textblob library. So as you can see, I accidentally typed a wrong spelling of like and lengthy. Let's check whether TextBlob is able to correct it or not. As you can see, it corrected my sentence. We can also check spelling in which we are doubtful that whether it's right or not. Moving on, I have created another text and put it into a article string. Then I create a text blob object, save it in use text. After that, I will get only the list of those words which are noun in this whole text. I am just printing all the nouns. After that, I am taking a random sample of nouns of top 5 nouns so that I will know, or we will know, that what this text is about. As you can see, this whole text is about goal, support, vaccine, paper. Moving on, I have code counter function from collection library, and then I am counting how many times a particular word or particular noun is used in this text. So as you can see, vaccine is on top, and then coronavirus, and then paper, and then government. So we can interpret that this text is about coronavirus and its vaccine. This is its object, counter object. After this, I printed out the top nouns using sorted function, and I also check and print the most common words which are used in this text. After that, we will translate a sentence to another language. So I have created textblob object, and I have given a test sentence. Then I will translate this test sentence into Urdu language from English to Urdu. Let's check. So it was able to translate this sentence, and now I will convert Urdu sentence into English. We are good to go. And TextBlob library easily translate our sentence. It can also detect what languages it are about. So Urdu blob is a text blob of Urdu sentence, and as you can see, we use detect language function of text blob. It printed out that this sentence is in Urdu language. After that, I have created two simple sentences and compressed them into a string called text, and then creating a text blob object and printing all its words, tags, and then finding out what are the noun phrases in these two sentences. So let's just print it out, and as you can see, these are the pause tags which you can see part of speech tag for each word, and then these two are the noun phrases which are used in this text. In the end, we are traversing in this text blob object, and then for each sentence we are printing its sentiment dot polarity, identify whether it's a negative sided sentence or a positive sided sentence or a neutral sentence. So it will give us a polarity score, and as you can see, first sentence is more towards the negative side, that is negative sentence. Then Second sentence is more towards the positive or neutral side. That's why its score is around zero point 0.5. So that's how this library, which is Textblob, provide us a feature of sentiment analysis and to identify whether it's a negative, positive, or neutral sentence. This was a little bit overview about Textblob library. You can use it when you are dealing with text, articles, or research paper to know about what this text about. So I hope you found this tutorial useful. That's it for today. Thank you so much.